Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to withdraw from the Crazy Rock game. First thing first, open the Crazy Rock app or website, then enter your username or password. Go to your wallet or cashier section where your money is stored and look for withdraw or withdrawal in the menu. Crazy Rock usually supports methods like bank transfer, e-wallets, mobile wallets, and crypto. Now type in the amount you want to cash out and make sure it meets the minimum withdrawal requirements, often around $10 or its equivalent. Add your bank account, e-wallet ID or crypto wallet address and double check to avoid errors. Tap confirm and withdraw, then you may receive a confirmation email or SMS. Processing times depends on your method. E-wallets and crypto usually within minutes to 24 hours, and bank transfers can take up to 2 to 5 business days. It's important to know that your Crazy Rock account is verified because most platforms require ID for first withdrawal. And the most important thing about this video that you should know that Crazy Rock isn't as legit as they say. You need to be careful with everything you do around that game or app because the reviews are very negative. So do it at your own risk. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.